My name is Lisa. I am Canadian, but I'm currently living in Taiwan, and I took the 10-day advanced skincare course. I decided to take this course because I want to change career paths. I'm a nurse and I want to become an esthetician, and I've always been interested in beauty from different parts of the world, so I wanted to come to Korea to learn more about Korean beauty. We've learned a lot in the 10 days with massage techniques, different machines and modalities. We've learned how to take care of different customers with different skin types. I think the biggest thing that I've taken away is all the practical skills, because we've had a lot of models to practice over and over again to make it more perfect. For me, the most impressive thing that I've learned was microneedling, because it is such a trend right now all over the world. So it's something that I was really excited to learn. And now that I've done it, it's something that I think that I can do in my own practice.
Good.
I think it's important to learn about Korean skincare in Korea, because you're learning from Korean instructors and people who live it day in, day out. And I've gotten really good guidance from the instructors here. The class at Mikwang was great. I like that it was a small size, so it was only me and 2 other students, which makes it more personal. You get one-on-one help at any time, and it also, as I said previously, the practical skills. So I think it's really important. Every day we either had 1 or 2 models, and that just gives you more confidence moving forward. That's more with this.
Liza? Popping. Yeah, 그렇지, good. Push. Tension, push. 그렇지, good.
I'm really happy to be finished. I'm feeling very confident and I'm very excited for my future. I think it's a great introduction and has made me realize that this is something I want to do. So now I'm excited for the future. I think you should come here because you really get exposed to everything that's about Korean beauty. I think it's such a trendy thing in all parts of the world. So to come to Korea, where it all started, is a great opportunity. And this school is led by great instructors. And also you get to meet students from all over the world. And I think that's a pretty special opportunity. Korean Mikwang Beauty Academy, Hwa-ryoung.
Liza? Congratulations.
Thank you.
축하해요. 우리 리자가 오늘 10일에 한국 스킨케어 교육을 마치고요. 졸업을 하게 되었는데요. 우리 리자는 간호사 출신이거든요. 그래서 저와 교육을 하면서 정말 세밀하게 디테일하게 많은 질문들을 했고요. 그리고 교육하는 그 방식을 그대로 습득해서 고객님들에게 다 케어를 완벽하게 했던 학생 중에 하나입니다. 아마 우리 리자는 내년쯤에 계획을 하고 있는데요. 한국 스킨케어 샵을 낸다면 정말 배운 그대로 똑같이 제대로 잘하고 있을 거라 저는 생각합니다. 정말 리자가 있는 캐나다의 한국 스킨케어 샵이 궁금하시다면 정말 강추합니다. 그 이유는 정말 제가 가르친 그대로 한국 스킨케어를 여러분께 선사할 것 같기 때문입니다. 여러분, 우리 리자의 졸업을 축하해주세요. 여러분, 축하합니다. 너무 올리면 이어. 안 돼. 다시 너무 이렇게. 오케이? 너무.
오케이. 리드 푸시. 리드 파워. 옳지. 굿.